Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. In this video, we are going to continue with our addition of surds. We have example 5. This will be the last example I'm going to take under addition of surds. So to solve this is very easy. If you watch my video on example 4, you will understand how to solve this example 5. It's very simple. So let's dive in without wasting time. To solve this kind of question, let's take a solution. Well, 6 root 50 plus 2 root 8. Now, we are going to simplify 6 times root. To simplify root 50, we look for one rational number to multiply with one irrational number that can give us 50. 25 is a rational number. 2 is an irrational number. 25 times 2 is 50. So here we have 25 times 2 plus 2. Now to simplify root 8, we look for one rational number, we multiply with one irrational number that can give us 8. 4 is a rational number, 2 is an irrational number, so 4 times 2. 6 times, we are going to split 25 times root 2. Root 2 plus 2. Root 4 times root 2. 6 times square root of 25 is what? 5 times root 2 plus 2 times square root of 4 is what? 2 times root 2 root 2. 6 times 5 is what? 30. 30 times root 2 is what? Root 30 root 2 plus 2 times 2, 4. 4 times root 2 is what? 4 root 2. Now, since the surds are the same, we are going to what? Add and pick one of them. 30 plus 4 is what? 34. Root what? 2. This is our answer to this kind of question. Thanks for watching this video. See you in my next video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, share. See you in my next video. Bye.